Hello students, welcome you all for online learning of Sacred Heart High School. Standard 9th, Subject Geography, Chapter number 4, Exogenetic Processes, Part 2. For this chapter I have made 5 parts. From those 5 parts, this is a part 3. In this part, we are going to study work of the wind and the landform produced, erosional work of wind, transportation work of wind, and deposition work of winds. You have learned earlier that the movement of air is called wind. Wind is a gaseous agent of erosion. Now, the erosional, transportational, and deposition work of wind is more prominent in deserts and semi-arid regions. As mechanical weathering occurs on a large scale here, powdered rocks and sand spread over a large area. There is hardly any obstacle in the transportational work of the wind. Sand particles also get transported along with the wind and they are carried over longer distance and get deposited where the speed of the wind reduces. Now in this way, the wind does the work of erosion, transportation and deposition. Erosional work of wind. Wind carries small sand particles, small pebbles, etc. along with it. These particles cause erosion along rocks coming in the way due to friction. This leads to formation of mushroom rocks, deflation hollows, yarduns, etc. Next, deposition work of winds. Sand particles that blow with the wind are of different shapes and sizes. Those particles which are very fine are carried over larger distance. Why? While the larger ones get transported to shorter distance only. These sand particles get deposited in deserts and semi-arid climates. As a result, specific landforms are formed. Sand dunes, barchans, ripple marks, Lewis plains and hamada etc. are formed by wind deposition. Now find out, where will you find mushroom rocks in the Deccan Plateau? Mushroom rocks can be found in the Hyderabad. Can you find the work of wind near coastal areas? What landforms will be formed there? Yes, ripple marks and sand mounds can be seen on the sand in the coastal regions. You can refer to page number 34 and 35 for the pictures. So children, in part 3 I have covered work of wind and the landform produced. Now in the next part, that is part 4, I'll be covering work of sea waves and the landform produced. Thank you.